Go over there.
Then he stuck his monkey hand in.
To get what?
He was trying to get back in. And I said, ah! What were you doing outside? And then, when he saw me, let me show you what he did, baby.
Did he do this?
No, not yet. He wasn't in yet. Let me show you what he did. You stay there. You're Uncle Renny, okay?
Okay.
Now, you're Uncle Renny. So he stuck his little monkey hand in like this.
Yeah.
You stand back. You stand back. You're Uncle Renny.
Okay.
And he saw me. He went, look. He looked back at me and went, then when I opened the door, he ran past me.
Did he get off that?
Yeah, I grabbed him just like that. Yup. I took him upstairs and I put him to bed. I said, no more sneaking out.
You know what I saw tonight? I came in the kitchen and I didn't see any monkey. It was gone across the door.
Yeah.
Ignore me.
Okay, I'm you.
Or me.
You get in here, monkey! Monkey, you get in here! And then you know what he said when he got in?
What?
He said, monkey cold! And I said, that's because you were outside. Then he said, hold the monkey, hold the monkey. So I held him like this.
You know what? I held him when he stopped.
Yeah.